In today's video, I want to show you how to find trades like this one inside of Apple, which was a really nice bounce inside of a market that's currently leading the way. Let's start first with the Today page. This gives us a broader overview of the markets, knowing where we want to pay attention and if we should be in a risk on or a risk off environment. Today, inside of the markets, we very clearly had a call out telling us, hey, trade smaller than usual. This is because of what the markets are currently telling us. This is our four major index markets, what the sectors are telling us, along with what the volatility index is telling us. If we combine all of that information, that tells us we need to be a little bit more cautious at the current moment. The sectors that are leading the way right now are the communication sector, the consumer staples sector, and the real estate sector. In terms of markets that are well established, we have financials, healthcare, and energy, which is another market where money is pouring in but has been for some time now. In terms of markets that are weakening, materials, industrials, technology, utilities, and consumer discretionary. So knowing all of this, we have three clear sectors where we have a little bit more of a bullish tilt. Two sectors where we have existing strength. For example, if you took financials here and I come into the scanner, you'll see that JP Morgan is a trade that's on the scanner inside of the financial sector, and this is all for a long side setup here. So JP Morgan, really nice setup that you could take advantage of. We're all on our way to our target. Now the setup I want to talk about in today's video is the one that our bot took, which was inside of Apple. Inside of Apple, I'll start with the aggressive daily models first. We had price action breach our aggressive models, continued to chop around, we hit our T1, and then price action went outside of the clouds. Once we went outside of the clouds, we went all the way down to the conservative models, and you'll see how we tagged this almost perfectly down to a wick. In fact, if I come into Thinkorswim, you can see how this looks directly inside of the chart. And let me turn on the show trade so you can see where the bot took the entry. The entry was right as this market pulse was making the transition near 325.22 and an exit at the volatility box target line 327.93. Very clean trade, but hopefully gives you an idea of how to spot some of these nice reversals. It all started with recognizing that Apple was one of the markets in which we had this trend switch, market currently in a stage of acceleration. We know it's one of the leading tech stocks, even though technology as an overall sector we see is one of our weakening sectors. Apple was one of the hidden gems, and a very easy way to mitigate some of that risk was using the conservative models instead of the aggressive ones as your entry. So a nice trade inside of Apple that I wanted to share. The other stock that we had discussed was JP Morgan. And if you take a look at JP Morgan, rallying really nicely into the close, same idea, breach into the aggressive models, target line near 338.92, which it feels like we're going to hit. So the Volatility Box Live Scanner is your running watch list. Let this do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It filters out the noise, helps figure out where you want to actually participate, and you can set up the alert so you get notified directly to your mobile device based on the actual triggers that you turn on and off. Hope you found this video helpful. Take care, everyone. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in the next update.